Hello everyone, I'm Ana Cláudia Barbosa. I'm going to present the paper Natural Feeding of the Freshwater Crab Dilocarcinus pagei STIMPSON on 1861, DECAPODA TRICHODACTYLIDE in Araguari River, Minas Gerais, Brazil. Studies on the diet of freshwater decapods can provide information about their trophic role in the aquatic ecosystem in which they occur. In particular, the trophic role of the crab Dilocarcinus pagei is little known, despite being an important benthic component in rivers and dams. These crabs is a species of family Trichodactylidae living associated with aquatic vegetation in backwater areas and shrimp zones. They also have cryptic nocturnal habits and use burrows. In this work, we examine the natural diet of Dilocarcinus pagei in a stretch of the Araguari River Triângulo Mineiro region. Sample was carried out in the Araguari River, downstream of the Amador Aguiar Second Dam in the Paraná River Basin. We will remark that the predominant vegetation of the region is cerrado, and in some stretches of the river wetlands there is a predominance of macrophytes and grass and burrows in slopes. Approximately 30 individuals were collected once a month for 1 year, using active search over a length of 300 meters. We mainly captured the specimens and through sieve specified the aquatic vegetation during 1 hour at night. After that, the animals were individually placed in labeled plastic bags. The specimens were identified according to sex by means of abdomen morphology, and then we measured the carapace width. First, we examined the stomach contents of the crab. We dissected the animal to remove the stomach. We then immediately determined its degree of fullness. Second, we analyzed the stomach contents through stereoscopy. Third, we determined the volume of it eaten in the stomach considering the absolute frequency of points. Finally, we evaluate the frequency of occurrence of each food eaten. Our finds show that 2 of 3 stomachs were from males. We found no significance of fullness degree between the dry and rain sexes and the effect of period on sex. The absolute frequency of points that plant debris represented the largest volume, followed by digested material and sand, with variation of these items between sexes, dependent of the period. In both periods, females ingested more plant detritus than males, while males ingested more sand and animal recurses. We observed the difference in the frequency of occurrence only among food items, plant detritus in larger proportions. We concluded that Dilocarcinus pagei is omnivorous, with the dominant use of plant detritus in general with different proportions between sexes. This is our reference. Thanks for your attention.